Ximendīng. Ximendīng known as where all the young people hang out. That's why I don't give up. I'm still young in heart. Behind me is famous Mian, which is the famous rice flour shop. Look at that. Tons of people waiting in line trying to eat that noodle soup. It looks so delicious. But I'm not here for that today. I just want to show you what does the Ximendīng looks like. And Ximendīng, the crowd here averages probably under 30 years old or younger, maybe under 25. Well, I feel a little out of place here, but hey, never know. No one knows my age. Behind me is the famous Xiaolongbao place. Take a look. Restaurant right here is Lao Tianlu Wu Wei. It's a stew of a different kind of food. This is the famous for all the tourists from Hong Kong. They must stop here to pick up some food. Let me show you what do they have here. So they stew all the rice, chicken feet, egg, chicken wing, duck, sausage, duck liver, chicken liver, duck tongue, intestine, tofu, seaweed. This is really famous according to my friend Carl. All the Hong Kongese people that stop by Taiwan must try.